Hi, I'm Philip Lister, Engineering Manager with Scott Equipment, and today we have a Scott Equipment Company pro tip just for you. We've had this super cool Kassow KR810 collaborative robot in our demo van for about a year now. For the longest time, we actually had one more state-of-the-art electric gripper, but so many of our customers still use pneumatic grippers that we felt it was important to show how we could integrate in this case, a SCHUNK 3-finger pneumatic gripper into our application. And what we're going to do is, I actually had our marketing manager, Mike Bird, he has a 3D printer. He 3D printed these small little pucks, and these are designed with a little nipple you can see on the end. And we actually have small holes in our table here, and these have very little place. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and start this program, show you what we're doing. We're going to pick and place these. And this particular SCHUNK gripper, we also 3D printed our fingers that we are using for the gripper itself, which is another cool thing you can do with the SCHUNK grippers. Showing you the grippers, for those who want to see that up close. Now we're going to place these same pucks back over where they originated. So if you want to know any more about the Kassow collaborative robot or the SCHUNK grippers or anything else we might have in our demo van, and there's quite a bit to look at, please reach out to us here at Scott Equipment in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for your time.